Good day everyone, mabuhay. I am John Lloyd M. Bunao and together with my sister.
Jennifer M. Bonao.
And for today is I would like to interview her about Jose Rizal. First question is who is Jose Rizal?
For me, Jose Rizal is our national hero.
So Jose Rizal daw is our national hero. So we have a second question. Why Jose Rizal shot to death?
Jose Rizal shot to death by Spanish colonial government, fearing that his nationalistic ideas would fuel resistance and accusing him of inciting rebellion.
Wow, sana all. So, no, Tagalog. So, kidding aside, to our third question and last, who is Jose Rizal? Ay, first question pala yun. So, balik sa last question is why Jose Rizal is our national hero pala?
Jose Rizal is our national hero
Because of what?
because he awakened Filipinos' nationalism and inspiring independence.
So, kung sa Tagalog pa yun is siya yung nagpamulat. Ganun. Oh. Okay, thank you for watching and goodbye.